सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to our 228th class today. In the previous class we read a story Swatantriya Senanyam Ashaha, and wherein we are supposed to learn and identify the future tense verbs which are highlighted, given in bold letters. Lut lakara prayogaha. So we'll just go back once again rapidly. There is one correction to be made. Those who are having the books and watching the on the monitor, Swatantriya, the tra should have a halanta matra. Swatantriya Senanya. Everywhere you put that halanta to make it two places, maybe one or two places. In the third line it is required. Okay, we'll go to the now Swatantriya Senanyam. This is Shashti Bahuvachana Ashaha, the hopes of the freedom fighters. That is what, and first verb that appears in the middle sentence is in the middle para, lapsyate. This is from the present tense verb labhate atmanepada. So atmanepada future tenses we are looking to. Lapsyate, dharishyante, dharante, dharishyante, prakasishyete. This is prakasishyete. And what it is we have already noted. Third person dual number. Harishyante, third person plural. Kamayishyante, third person plural. Prayatishyante, third person plural. Sevishyante, third person plural. These are all Prathama Purusha Bahuvachanas. Samedhishyante, also third person Prathama Purusha Uttama Bahuvachana Rupam. Shankishyate, third person singular. Janishyate, again third person singular. Badhishyanti, third person plural. Prayatishyamahe, first person plural. And Sankalpishyamahe, very big verb, which is Prathama Uttama Purusha and Bahuvachana, first person plural. Vartishyamahe, this is also first person plural of Vartamahe. Vartishyate, third person singular. So already we have traced their roots and everything. And based on this story of Swatantriya Senanyam Ashaha Srinivas, Abhyasas are some of the exercises based. So we'll go over to 388 page, please. So Pathanusarena Riktasthanani Pure. Now you fill in the blanks on the basis of the lesson you have just studied. Bharatiyaha Swatantriya. Here also Triya, the tra should have halanta. Triya Gauravam Dharishyante, which is there in the other page, third line, Dharishyante. Bharatiyaha Swatantriya Gauravam Dharishyante, meaning Indians will keep up the respect of freedom. Indians will keep up the respect of freedom. Rashtrasya Sampattim Naiva. And this is also another hope of the freedom fighters. Swatantriya Senanyam Anya Asha Evam Asti Rashtrasya Deshasya Sampattim Naiva Harishyanti. They will not loot the wealth of the country. They will not loot the wealth of the country. Sampattim Naiva Harishyanti. Then third one, Prajanam Kalyanam Kamayishyanti. There only, followed by Harishyanti. Yes. Prajanam Kalyanam Kamayishyanti. The people of India, Bharatiyaha, Prajanam Kalyanam Kamayishyanti, means they will be desiring the welfare of the people. Netaraha, Visheshataha Bharatiya Netaraha, Prajanam, Rashtrasya Prajanam, Bharatiya Prajanam, Kalyanam, Kamayishyanti. Fourth is Sevarataha Desham Sevishan. Sevarataha means people who are involved in service, who are doing the service, rendering the service to the country. Sevarataha, Sevayam Rataha, Sevarataha Desham Sevishyanti. Sevishyanti is the verb. I think we may also write out, it's only 5 sentences. And then fifth one, Samuchitaha Shraddhanjalihi Vartishyati. Samuchitaha Shraddhanjali means due, proper respect will be there. Proper respect will be there. That is the last sentence of the storyline. Do you think, shall I write or repeat? Which one is better, Srinivas? Repeat, we'll repeat it. Bharatiyaha Swatantriya Gauravam Dharishyanti. Rashtrasya Sampattim Naiva Harishyanti, which is in the second paragraph, first verb highlighted. Third one, Prajanam Kalyanam Kamaishyanti. Sevarataha Desham Sevishyanti. There? Sevishyanti, yes. Sevarataha Desham Sevishyanti. Samuchitaha Shraddhanjalihi Vartishyati. This you can look to the lesson, go back a little and then. Now, second point of Abhyasa 161 is Yathodaharanam Vakyani Purayata. Now, you fill again complete the sentence as shown in the example. Saha lapsyati. So, converting from third person. That is future tense to present tense here. The exercise is to convert from future to present. Lutaha lati prayoge. So, no, I'm sorry, not lati. From third person. From third person to person change. Okay. Saha lapsyate, I for a moment thought it is present tense. Okay. Saha lapsyate becomes aham lapsye. So, person changing, verb changes. Saha is third person, prathama purusha ekavachana, lapsyate, and it is converted into first person, uttama purusha ekavachana, aham lapsye. Similarly, saha dharishyate, aham. So, it's very simple. Aham dharishye. Saha dharishyate, he will hold it, I will hold it. Saha lapsyate, he will get it. Aham lapsye, I will get it. Third, saha sevishyate. Sevishye. He will serve. Saha sevishyate means he will serve. Aham sevishye. Aham desham sevishye. I will serve the country. Saha harishyate. Aham harishye. He will take away. I will take away. Saha prayatishyate. He will try. Aham prayatishye. I will try. So very simple. Lapsye, dharishye, sevishye, harishye, prayatishye. Convert into uttama purusha ekavachana first person singular numbers. Third point is adholikitani vakyani bahuvachane parivartana. Now you convert bahuvachana parivartana, that is third person singulars are supposed to are given here, and you convert them into third person plural. Prathama purusha ekavachanataha prathama purusha bahuvachane parivartanam. Saha sevishyate, te sevishyante. Even you have to take the subject also to plural. Saha becomes te, saha tauti. That is a pronoun, tad pronoun. If it is sa taha, if it is tat, that is tani. So look to that also. Balakaha dharishyate. Balakaha, first convert this balaka into plural. Balakaha, balakaha dharishyante. Boys will hold up, will bear. Balakaha dharisyanti. 3. Sa janishyati. She will beget. She will beget. Sa janishyati. What is the plural of sa? Sa te taha. This is strilinga usage of prathama of tat shabda. Sa te taha. Go to taha. Janishyanti. They will, those women will deliver. They will beget, rather beget. They will beget. She will beget. They will beget. Taha janishyanti. 4. Devaha vartishyati. Vartishyanti. Devaha vartishyanti. Sarvaha samedhishyati. No. Sarvaha is pullinga. Sarvaha sarvau sarve. First identify the pronoun. Sarvaha, everyone. This is pullinga. Sarva shabdasya pullinge prayoga. Yadi strilinga abhavat, if it were strilinga, sarva. Sarve, Sarvaha. If it were Napumsakalinga, Sarvam, Sarve, Sarvani. So here Sarvaha is Pullinga. Therefore, Sarvaha, Sarvau, Sarve. Sarve Jana Sukno Bhavantu. Remember, Sarve Jana there in the prayer. Sarvaha Samedhishyate, Sarve Samedhishyante. So I repeat, Saha is done. Balakaha Dharishyate, Balakaha Dharishyante. Sa Janishyate, Taha Janishyante. Devaha Vartishyate, Devaha Vartishyante. Sarvaha Samedhishyate, Sarve Samedhishyate. Do you think right? No. So just convert the noun to plural, the verb to plural. Balakaha, Balakaha, Sa, Staha, Devaha, Devaha, Sarvaha, Sarve. Please remember, Sarve, it becomes Samedhishyanti. Then we go move to next new lesson, Nutanam Patam Pashyamaha. Stavakaha, atra, section is Chaturthaha Stavakaha, Chaturthaha Pataha, and also lesson 4 in this section 4 of this. Atmanepadinaha Dhatavaha, and roots of Atmanepada are there. Srinivas, you read.
Kaikeyi Dasharatham Varam Ayachata. Shabari Ramachandram Avandata. Ravanaha Angadam Društva Akampata. Vibhishanaha Samskutena Abhashata. Radhika Krishnam Prapya Amodata. Bhagavan Varahaha Prithivim Adharata.
So here Atmanepadinaha Dhatavaha Lang Lakare in the past tense, that is also there in the above, Srinivas. Lang Lakare in the past tense, simple past tense here. So if you remember, Srinivas, once we recall the present tense of Atmanepada, what is the model we look to? Simple verb, I said na? Vanda, yeah, Vanda. Vandate, Vandete, Vandante, Vandase, Vandethe, Vandadhve, Vande, Vandavahe, Vandamahe. This is a Latlakara, present tense of Vanda Dhatu in present tense. Then we moved, studied after present tense, past tense, future tense we took up. Because why the book is taking you to future tense, the endings of the present and the endings of the terminations, endings, pratyayas of the future tense are same. Whether it is in Parasmaipada section or in Atmanepada. See, Vandate, Vandishyate, Vandante, Vandishyante, Vandase, Vandishyase, Vande, Vandishye. Only a little change in Uttama Purusha. So like that, endings being same, the present tense is, after present tense is completed, studied, we are introduced to future tense there. Now we are coming to past tense. Generally we do present, past, future, we go like that. So here, Lang Lakare Prayogaha, you can watch the 6 verbs introduced here, Srinivas. Ayachata, which is the present tense is Yachate. Present tense for this, Yachate, Yachishyate, future tense. Then, Avandata, Vandate, Avandata, saluted. Akampata, Kampate, present tense. Abhashata, Bhashate in present tense. Amodata, Modate in present tense. Adharata, Dharate in present tense. So, you can recall all the 3 verbs so far studied. Now, Ayachata, past tense. Present tense, Yachate. Future tense, Yachishyati. Yachishyati. So we go Yachate, Ayachata, Yachishyati. Present, past, future. Yachate, Ayachata, Yachishyati. All singulars we will do first. Avandata. Vandate, Avandata, Vandishyati. Salute, saluted, will salute. Kampate, present tense. Akampata, past tense. Kampishyate, future tense. Bhashate, present tense. Abhashata, past tense. Bhashishyate, future tense. Will speak. Modate present tense, amodata past tense, modishyate will enjoy. Dharate present tense, adharata past tense, dharishyate. So now you have, so by deriving one form in the one tense, you will be in a position to recall the 8 more forms. Once you get ayachata, if you have memorized, learnt one Atmanipada in the past tense, like sevate dhatu vandate, avandata avandetam avandan, avandathaha avandetam avandadhvam, avande avandavahi avandam. But here simple one number is introduced here. Only one. Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is introduced in Bhutakala, right? Third person is, okay, let us. So I am just making you recall what is studied. Kaikeyi Dasharatham Varam Ayachata. Kaikeyi asked a boon. Kaikeyi asked Dasharatha about a boon. Varam Ayachata. So here, if you remember, Srinivas, there are 2 words which are put in Dvitiya here. Yacha Dhatu requires. Dasharatham Varam. This is called Dvikarmika, Dvikarma Prayoga. We came in the previous book. Some verbs take 2 objects. Kaikeyi Dasharatham Varam Ayachata. So if you remember that, some verbs like Prucha, Yacha, etc., a list was given. Brew, to tell, they require 2 objects. So this is one such. So what is the meaning here? Kaikeyi asked for a boon, asked Dasharatha for a boon. That's it. Ayachata. If you make it, Kaikeyi is asking, Kaikeyi Dasharatham Varam Yachati. Kaikeyi will ask a boon. Kaikeyi will ask Dasharatha a boon. Kaikeyi Dasharatham Varam Yachishyati. Okay, next. Shabari, the devotee that we know from the Ramayana story. Shabari Ramachandram Avandata. When Rama met Shabari, so Shabari Avandata saluted. Shabari greeted, saluted to Lord Rama. Ramachandram Avandata. Make it sing, present tense, Shabari Ramachandram Vandate. Shabari will salute Rama. Shabari Ramachandram Vandishyati. Third, Ravana Angadam Društva Akampata. Ravana shook Akampata. Angadam Društva. Seeing Angada. Having seen Angada, Ravana shook. Ravana Akampata. Make it sing present tense. Ravana Angadam Društva Kampati. Ravana will shake seeing Angada. Ravana Angadam Društva Kampishyati. Okay? Then Vibhishana Samskrutena Abhashata. So Vibhishana spoke in Sanskrit, using the Sanskrit language. So make it simple present tense. Vibhishana Samskrutena Bhashati. Vibhishana will speak in Sanskrit. Vibhishana Samskritena Bhashishyati. So why this sentence is made, you tell me? Vibhishana was a Rakshasa. Vibhishana was a Rakshasana. So whether Rakshasas also spoke Sanskrit in those days. So that is the Vibhishana, the brother of Ravana. So Ravana knew Sanskrit, Vibhishana also knew Sanskrit, though they were Rakshasas, designated as Rakshasas. Rakshasa Jati that was. But that doesn't mean that they were not familiar with Sanskrit. So, next, Radhika Krishnam Prapya Amodata. Radhika felt happy, rejoiced, having got Krishna. Krishnam Prapya. This is a Levanta Prayoga. Krishnam Prapya. Similarly, I did not tell that in the above sentence. Ravanaha Angadam Društva. Društva is having seen. Pashyati Društva. Ktvanta, having seen. So similarly, Prapya here is Lyabandha. Radhika Krishnam Prapya, having got to Krishna, she enjoyed, she rejoiced. Bhagavan Varaha. So we have this Varaha avatar here referred to Prithivim Adharata. So Varaha, in Varaha avatar, Mahavishnu lifted the earth which was disturbed. Bhagavan Varaha Prithivim Adharata. Adharata means held. Varaha Murti or Varaha avatara held the earth up. So these are the verbs, we have sufficiently discussed about them. Move on, Srinivas. Vanda dhatoho rupani patata. Now one Vanda dhatu which is given, we studied in the present tense, future tense, and now past tense you see them. Lang lakare. You can read Avandata.
Yeah, Ekadvi Bhagavachana. Avandata, Avandetam, Avandanta. Avandathaha, Avandetham, Avandadhum. Avande, Avandavahi, Avandavahi.
Yes. Avandata means he saluted. Avandetam, they both saluted. Avandanta, they saluted. Balakaha, I will give you one sentence. Balakaha Gurum Avandata. Balakau Gurum Avandatam. Balakaha Gurum Avandanta. Okay? Boys saluted the Guru. Now, Tvam Gurum Avandathaha. You saluted the Guru. Yuvam Gurum Avandethaha. You both saluted the Guru. Yuyam Gurum Avandata. You all saluted the, Avandadhvam. You all saluted the Guru. Aham Gurum Avande. I saluted my Guru. Avam Gurum Avandavahi. We both saluted the Guru. Vayam Gurum Avandamahi. We all saluted the Guru. So this way you have to understand. And any Atmanepada verb to be declined or derived in the same way. Take for example, just do simple one is save. You do it. Online. Asevata, asevetam, asevanta, asevathaha, asevetam, asevetham, asevadvam, aseve, aseva, aseva vahi, aseva mahi. I served. Aseve, aham gurum aseve, etc. But I think I made a remark in the previous class. This type is used, but we use the participle verb more. Aham sevitavan, saha sevitavan. There is an advantage using the participle verb in Sanskrit than this regular verb. This is a regular verb which is bound by the person and the number. Whereas participle verb is not bound by the person. Saha sevitavan, saha gurum sevitavan, aham api sevitavan. Easy, na? For both, if you use bhavan api sevitavan, if you use bhavat shabda, tvam sevitavan, you also. So that we will take up later. So etani vakyani savadhanam padata. Now read this. You can read some 5 Srinivas.
Saha bhitya akampata. Iyam alajjata. Devaha rakshasan ashankanta. Sriramam društva rakshasaha palayanta. Bhikshukah bhiksham prapya amodata.
Okay. Saha bhitya akampata. Now the word came already. Akampata, we have studied one sentence. Ravanaha angadam društva akampata. Here, saha, he, bhitya, due to fear, with fear, akampata, shook. He shook with fear. He shook because of fear. With fear. So, here, bhiti shabda is used for, in which vibhakti it is, Srinivas? Bhitya, trutiya. Bhitya, trutiya, you should say. It is like ikaranta strilinga shabda. Mati, niti, nitya, matya, bhitya, with fear. Bhiti is bhaya, bhayena. If you take a simple word like saha bhayena akampata. He shook with fear. Bhitya akampata. So he shook with fear. Iyam alajjata. Iyam is a feminine pronoun, Srinivas. Iyam means this woman. Iyam mahila. Iyam kanya. Iyam stri. Alajjata. This woman felt shy. Woman is understood here. Iyam. Devaha Rakshasan Ashankanta. Gods doubted the demons. Devaha Rakshasan Ashankanta. They doubted. Gods doubted the Rakshasas. Sri Ramam Društva, seeing Rama, having seen Lord Rama, Rakshasaha Palayanta. Rakshasas ran away. Now you have to have a doubt here, Srinivas. Palayanta, look at the verb and look at the above verb, Ashankanta, Alajjata, Akampata. What is missing here? Sri Ramam Društva Rakshasaha Palayanta. This is a past tense verb. Is it just like the above verb? Ashankanta, Alajjata, Akampata. A is there or not? Not there. Now that is where I have to explain. When a verb is preceded by a prefix, when a verb is preceded by a prefix, a preposition, then this way of derivation comes in. We attach the past tense maker a to the verb itself. The verb involved in Palayanta is para plus aya. Para plus aya, palaya it becomes. Para is pala, para becomes pala, is a prefix. Then you attach a aya, palaya. I will show you on the board.
How para becoming pala?
It becomes rakarasya lakar in sandhi, that becomes. Now we will take another pravishati. Vishati. This is pra is a upasarga. Now if you take it as it is in present tense, no problem. Pravishati. Oh, this is a chalk piece. Terribly horrible. Something is wrong. Okay, now I got one. You have to sorted out, Srinivas. So it is present tense. When it comes to past tense, Srinivas, pura plus a plus visha. Then you give the past tense marker th. It's okay. Now you see, I use the past tense maker before the verb visha dhatu. Before this, avisha. It is not avishat. Avishat can be there, but it is not avishat here. So when pravishati is there is a sandhi bound to take place here. Pra plus a plus a is equal to pra. Then you take this vishat. Then you join all this. Pravishat means entered. This is past tense. Past of pravishati, which means now it comes finally as pravishat, which means entered. This means enters. So but here when you look, is not the past tense maker is not seen here. It is there merged in this sandhi. Similarly, what is the verb there? Para plus aya. This is the dhatu. You take para, add a plus aya, etc. You do sandhi here. This becomes para plus aya becomes palaya. There is a saying, rakarasya lakaradesha. Ra becomes la. Palaya. Then so palaya is coming here. Palayanta. This is past. What is the present tense of this? Palayanti. Run away. Srinivas. This is past tense. This is present tense. Palayanta past tense. Palayante present tense. So you want to see the past tense maker here. Well, at this stage they could have little taken, not explained, I don't think explained anywhere. We did come across Srinivas, I think we came across this prefix, but past tense we did not study so far. Yeah, that is it.
There is a clear difference in pravishati and pravishati. There is dirgha in pra. But here in pala.
Already in para there is dirgha.
Okay.
There is dirgha.
It turned into la.
Only ra becomes lakara, but there is dirgha already. It is again savarna dirgha sandhi. Para plus aya.
No, that's not. But in present tense it is not parayante.
No, not parayante, palayante. That is. Okay. That observation I made. Palayanta means ran away immediately. Not apalayanta. The problem is you can't make it apalayanta. Already this a is added there. There. That is. Okay, next fifth one is bhikshukaha bhiksham prapya amodata. Is very clear. Modate amodata. Bhikshukaha bhiksham prapya, a beggar having got the alms enjoyed. Amodata. Bhaktaha devam avandanta.
Bhaktaha devam avandanta. Tvam samskrutena abhashathaha chhatraha utsahena aspardhanta. Yuyam deshahitam akamayadvam ratrau deepaha prakashanta.
Okay, stop there. Again here prakashanta. Pra has come. Aprakashanta, no, we won't get. So, bhikshukaha is over. Bhaktaha devam avandanta. Vandante, present tense. Vandante. Bhaktaha devam vandante. Bhaktaha devam avandanta. Bhaktaha devam vandishyante, future tense. Or bhaktaha devam vandantu. Anything you can say. So, here, bhaktaha devam avandanta would mean devotees saluted God. Tvam samskrutena abhashathaha. Little, very difficult verb this in second person singular. Abhashathaha. Tvam samskrutena abhashathaha. All two mahapranas are there. Tvam samskrutena. Tvam samskrutena bhashase. Present tense. Tvam samskrutena bhashase is becoming tvam samskrutena abha. Yes, in present tense. Bhashase na. Vandase.
Yeah.
Tvam samskrutena bhashase. Tvam samskrutena abhashathaha. You spoke in Sanskrit. Okay, then chhatraha utsahena aspardhanta. Students competed with each other with enthusiasm. Utsahena aspardhanta. Spardhante becomes aspardhanta. Then yuyam deshahitam akamayadhvam. You all wished for the good of the country. Yuyam deshahitam akamayadhvam. You all wished for the good of the country. Or make it simple present tense. Yuyam deshahitam kamaya dve. Kamayase, kamayate, kamayadve. That is. So, akamayadhvam, you wished. Yuyam. Ratrau deepaha prakashanta. Ratrau deepaha prakashanta. Lights shone in the at night. Now, prakashanta is pra plus a plus kasha. Oh, no. All dried sin. I think they are getting dry, not using or using. What is the verb? Prakashanti. Prakash.
Pra plus A plus
Oh. Pra plus A in the first stage becomes Prakashanta. That is what is. So this sandhi is made. In the present tense, Prakashate, it becomes Prakashate. Prakashate. There is no dirgha anywhere. Prakashate is a present tense form. Prakashanta, shine, shone, shined or shined. So next 5 you can read, we will finish that.
Yeah. Here it is clear, sir. The A is coming in between Upasarga
And dhatu.
root word.
And the root word, that is. There also para and a, para, aya, palaya, like that. Vayam sarvam.
Yeah. Vayam sarvam vrittantam amanyamahi. Aham Ishwaram avande. Avam
Akhidhyavahi.
Akhidhyavahi. Mama netre aspandetam. Yuvam gurum asevetham.
I suppose this lesson may be somewhat difficult if you do not go slowly, because past tense, regular past tense is like this. So different. First you have to, what I would suggest you learn the model past tense and then take understand the sentences. Anyway, Vayam sarvam vrittantam amanyamahi. We thought over the entire vrittanta, this story. Vayam sarvam vrittantam amanyamahi. Vayam amanyamahi. Vayam manyamahe. Present is Vayam manyamahe amanyam. Aham Ishwaram avande. I saluted the Lord. Aham Ishwaram avande. Vande. In present tense it is simply vande. Take out it becomes present tense. Avande. Avam akhidhyavahi. Akhidhyavahi. We both felt unhappy, sad. Avam akhidhyavahi. We both felt sad. Mama netre aspandetam. My eyes throbbed. My 2 eyes throbbed. But we can't, we say in English, my eyes, and it is given to understand 2 eyes only, but in Sanskrit you can't put plural. Because we have one number more in Sanskrit, na? Bahuvachana. So you can't say Mama netrani aspandanta, you can't say. Mama netrani, you can't say. How many eyes you have? 2. So Mama netre. Napumsaka. Mama netre. Aspandeta. My eyes throbbed. Juvam gurum asevetham. You both served the teacher. Juvam gurum asevetham. So this is how you understand. So I would again repeatedly request the learners to learn the model first, then go to the application in the sentences to understand better. So simply learn Vandadhatu first in present tense. Vandate, vandete, vandante. Vandase, vandete, vandadhve. Vande, vandavahe, vandamahe. Then go to past tense. What is given here? Avandata, avandetam, avandanta, avandethaha, avandathaha, avandetham, avandadhvam, avande, avandavahi, avandamahi. Then you can go to learn one future tense completely. Vandishyate, vandishyete, vandishyante. Whether you learn present, future together and later past tense, it is your choice. So Abhyasa 162, Srinivas. 6. Only derivation part. You have to practice here verb derivation. If you learn one, you can do this. So you can do this very simply. Alabhata,
Alabhata, alabhetam,
alabhanta, alabhataha,
alabhataha,
alabhetham, alabadhvam, alabhe,
alabhavahi,
alabhavahi, alabhavahi. Just go on the lines of ase, avandanta, avandetam, etc. Then 2 is amriyanta. Amriyata,
Amriyetam,
Amriyetam, Amriyanta, Amriyathaha, Amriyetham, Amriyadhvam, Amriye, Amriye, Amriyavahe, Amriyamahi, Amriyavahi, Amriyamahi. It looks as if I am not sounding Sanskrit here. Amriyavahi. No, sound aspect even to me. Amriyavahi. That somewhat. Yeah. Amriye. Then third one. Apalayata. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Palayata I said, sorry. Palayata, Palayetam, Palayanta, Palayathaha, Palayetham, Palayadhvam, Palaye, Palayavahi, Palayamahi. Palaye means I ran. Palaye means I ran. Then we move to Kama. Akamayata, he desired. Akamayetam, Akamayanta, Akamayathaha, Akamayetham, Akamayadhvam, Akamaye, Akamayavahi, Akamayamahi. Kamaya to desire. Then Amodata, Amodata, he enjoyed, he rejoiced. Amodetam, Amodanta, Amodathaha, Amodetham, Amodadhvam, Amode, Amodavahi, Amodamahi. Amode, I enjoyed, rejoiced. Ajayata was born. Ajayata means was born. Ajayetam, Ajayanta, Ajayathaha, Ajayetham, Ajayadhvam, Ajaye, Ajayavahi, Ajayamahi. So all these should be done keeping this before you. Avandata, Avandetam, Avandata. You can do it. The meanings are clear. Alabata got. Amriyata died. Amriyanta means died. Palayata means they both ran. Akamaye means I wished. Amodadvam, you all enjoyed. Ajayata, he was born, literally speaking. Then we move on to 163 Abhyasa, wherein Parivartana is there. You have to change from sentence present into past tense. Srinivas. Sishyaha Gurum Vandate. One is done. Sishyaha Gurum Avandata. So, student salutes the teacher. Student saluted the teacher. 1. Aham Yashaha Labhe. First, present tense. No, not future tense. Lapsi. Past tense you have to convert.
Oh. Alabhata.
Alabhe, that's all. Put alabhe. Just like we have here, na, seen. Avande. Avande. So, aham yashaha labhe, meaning I get fame. We are converting into past tense. Aham yashaha alabhe. I got fame. I got fame. 2. Tvam
Akaranam lajjase.
Tvam akaranam lajjase. You are feeling shy unnecessarily, without any reason. Akaranam. Tvam akaranam lajjase. Tvam akaranam alajjathaha. Tvam akaranam alajjathaha. 3.
Taha swakaryam manyante.
Yes, those women, taha, strilinga shabda, sarvanama shabda, taha mahilaha kanyaha striyaha swakaryam manyante. They are considering it as their work. Taha swakaryam amanyanta. This we will write out, Srinivas. We have to. 4. Vayam. We feel sorry. We feel sad. Vayam akhidhyamahi. Vayam akhidhyamahi. 5. Yuyam
dukkham sahadhve.
So this is second person. Yuyam dukkham sahas dhve. You all put up with the sorrow. You all, again in English you can say put, becomes put only in English. English verb also doesn't change. Put. You all put up with the sorrow, or you all have tolerated the sorrow. Yuyam dukkham asahadvam. Yuyam dukkham asahadvam. Then
Shishavaha madhuram bhashante.
Shishavaha madhuram bhashante. Infant children speak melodiously, speak sweetly. Madhuram, sweetly. Madhuram bhashante. Shishavaha madhuram abhashanta. Sorry. Dhirau. Two brave people. Dhirau, two brave people. Desha rakshartham, for the protection of the country. Mriyete, die. Mriyate, mriyante, present tense. Dhirau amriyetam. Dhirau desha rakshartham, desha rakshanaya amriyetam. So two valorous people died for the protection of the country. 8. We tolerate the pain. Vayam vedanam sahamahi becomes we tolerated the pain. Vayam vedanam asahamahi. 9. Yuvam, you both. Kimartham palayete. Why are you both running away? Why are you both running away? Yuyam kimartham palayete. Yuvam kimartham apalayetham. Palayetham. Spontaneously we are committing the mistake. Yuvam kimartham palayetham. Then 10. Avam etena modavahe. We are enjoying, we both are enjoying with this. Avam etena, with this. Modavahe, we both are enjoying with this. Avam etena amodavahi. Very good. So this I will write, only one word, verb will write, because these two words are unchanged. What is the Abhyasa number?
160.
Point.
163.
Fresh one. Yeah. Numbers? 1. So the first words, two words stand the same. I got alabhe. Yeah, 2. What is the sentence? Read, please. Tvam akaranam lajjase. Alajja.
Alajjatha.
That's it. Alajjatha. 3.
Taha swakaryam manyante.
Amanyanta. 4.
Vayam khidhyamahi.
Vayam
akhidhyamahi.
only one word.
Yeah.
Akhityamahi. 5.
Yuyam dukkham sahadve. Asahad.
Yoyam dukkham
Asahadvam.
asahadvam. 6.
Shishavaha madhuram bhashante.
Abhashanta. 'Shishavaha madhuram abhashanta.
Dhirau desha rakshartham mriyete amriyetham.
धीरौ देशरक्षार्थम् अम्रिये no Amriyetam Amriyanta no this is third person Srinivas Tam only Tam ordinary ta not Mahaprana Dhirau Desharakshartham Amriyetam second person you get Tham 8
Vayam Vedanam Sahavahe Vayam
Vedanam Asahavahi
Yuvam Kimartham Palayethe
Yuvam Kimartham
Palayetham
yes here comes the Tham Palayetham 10 you will write
Avam Etena Modavahi Amodavahi
Avam Amodavahi so evam abhyasah त्रयोषष्ट्यधिकशततमः अभ्यासः समाप्तः भवति न समाप्तः उत्तरं भवति समाप्तः एव now etam anuchedam savadhanam patata now read this paragraph here small passage is given here can read Srinivas
दशरथः पुत्रं कामयते अतः सः कुलगुरुणा वसिष्ठेन सह मंत्रयते ततः पुत्रकामेष्टिम् आरभते यज्ञसमाप्तौ अग्निः विशेषेण शोभते तत्र कश्चन दिव्यपुरुषः राजते सः दशरथाय पायसपूर्णं पात्रं दत्ते दशरथः तत्र प्राप्य मोदते सः आत्मानं धन्यं मन्यते तस्य पत्न्यः अपि सन्तुष्टाः जायन्ते दशरथः ताभ्यः पायसं दत्ते ताः पायसं खादन्ते
स्वदन्ते okay now all present tenses are given here and the next page we are going to convert them into bhutakala Dasharatha putram kamayati Dasharatha wishes for a son kamayati is atmanepada that is present tense third person singular you can see that ataha therefore saha kulaguruna vasisthena saha mantrayati therefore he consults with his family priest Vasishtha therefore he consults with his family priest tataha then thereafter putra kameshtim arabhati then he starts the sacrifice called putra kameshti arabhati starts yajna samaptau at the end of the sacrifice agnihi visheshena shobhati at the end of the sacrifice fire what do you call shines but very specially there is a splendor there is a special splendor in the fire at the end of the sacrifice visheshena shobhati it shines very specially tatra there kaschana divya purushaha rajate there in the fire kaschana some divya purushaha divine person rajate is found or shine he also appears rajate literally means shines there in the midst of the agni agnau tatra agnau kaschana divya purushaha rajate shines saha dasharathaya he payasa purnam patram datte he gives the payasa purnam patram a vessel full of milk to Dasharatha. Dasharathaya datte. Datte means give. Dadati. Dasharatha tad prapya modati. Dasharatha enjoys getting that payasa patram. Saha Dasharatha atmanam dhanyam manyati. He considers himself blessed. Dasharatha considers himself to be blessed. Tasya patnyah api santushtaha jayante. His wives also become happy. Tasya patnyah api santushtaha jayante. Verb. Jayate, jayate, jayante, because patni shabda is used in Bahuvachana. Dasharatha is the father of Lord Rama in Ramayana story, and he had 3 wives, Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. So therefore the word patni shabda is used here in Bahuvachana. Patni, patnyau, patnyaha. This is ikaranta strilinga shabda. Tasya Dasharathasya patnyaha api santushtaha jayanti. Dasharatha tabhyaha payasam datti. Dasharatha offers the milk given by the god to them also. Tabhyaha patnibhyaha payasam datti. Taha patnyaha, those wives, payasam swadanti, they taste. Taha patnyaha, Dasharathasya patnyaha, payasam swadanti, aswadanti. Swadante, swada to taste. 2 lines.
Kalakramena rajnyaha garbhavatyaha jayante. Dasharatha taha vikshate. Tasya anandaha vardhate. Navamasanantaram Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha utpadyante.
Okay. Kalakramena, in course of time, rajnyaha, that is queens. Here the word has changed to queens. Patnyaha, rajnyaha, ragni, rajnyau, rajnyaha, garbhavatyaha jayante. They become pregnant. Course of time, Dasharathasya patnyaha, tisraha patnyaha, Kausalya, Sumitra, Kaikeyi, tisraha patnyaha, tisraha rajnyaha, garbhavatyaha jayanti. Garbhavati, garbhavatyau, garbhavatyaha jayanti. Jayate. They become pregnant in course of time. Dasharatha taha vikshate. Dasharatha looks at them, sees them, watches them. Taha vikshate. Taha is dvitiya bahuvachana of tad shabda in strilinga. Sa, te, taha, dvitiya, tam, te, taha. Taha is repeated in Pratama and Dvitiya. So, Dasharatha taha ragnihi. If you take taha ragnihi vikshati, he watches those queens. Tasya anandaha vardhati. His joy grows. Tasya Dasharathasya anandaha vardhati. Navamasanantaram, after 9 months, Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugnaha jayanti. After 9 months, utpadyanti. Okay. After 9 months, Rama Lakshmana Bharata Shatrugna, these are produced or born or begotten. Utpadyanti. Now, Jayante would have been nice here. Unnecessarily this is given. Jayante is more appropriate than Utpadyanti. Okay. Now, so these are the present tense forms. You are supposed to use them in past tense in the next lesson. Abhyasa. You know Utpadana word, so from that Utpadyanti, or produced or born. In other words, Jayante only. So Abhyasa 164, do you have time? No. So we will take up this in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.